Hey guys, what's up? I am Himraj Kablia and I welcome you all to HK classes. Okay, today our topic is Would Joe and Kamla go hard on India? So let's begin. Here is my brief info and I am Himraj Kablia, B Mechanical, PGDTL University topper, motivational speaker, good at public relations, and here are my interests. So let's begin today's lecture. What are the concerns? Okay, so first one is the NRC. Okay, and NRC, National Register for Citizen in Assam, had been criticized by both Kamla and Joe. Next comes the CAA, that is Citizenship Amendment Act, that has also been criticized by both Kamla and Joe Biden. Third one was the FATF, grey list, and Pakistan had always been on the verge of going into blacklist in the Trump administration. So that is also is an issue. And next is the RCEP and Indo-Pacific. So these are the issues. Then we come up with the wire article, and let's see that what has been given here in wire article. In article of wire, just look at that what has been given here. Kamala Harris and both Joe Biden having the key positions on the India's concern. They are also talking about the Kashmir issue. They had been talking about the countering the terrorism at global level. Joe Biden is on the same line that as of the Obama, and we have seen that Obama was a very friendly person, and we believe that both of them will be both Joe Biden and Obama would be going on the same line. So let's hope for the best. Here comes that the disappointment of Biden on CAA and NRC. CAA and NRC. Okay, so both CAA and NRC has been criticized by Joe Biden, and many a time what happened that he openly speak upon the Kashmir issue. Okay, so the Kashmir issue has been always on his tongue. So that is also cause of concern, and that goes to the 370 article 370, and what are the concerns would be raised in the future. Okay, the next option is about, just wait for a minute, there's a technical glitch. So here has been a concern about Joe Biden disappointment appointment. So Mr. Modi had to deal with it, our honorable prime minister had to deal with it. So let's move forward. Here is an article of the print about Kamala Harris, and her unbreakable bond with Italy and Samar. So Italy and Samar, why it is important here is it is a cultural bond, and you can also talk it in the terms of cultural diplomacy. So like Coca-Cola of USA, it has become so much normal nowadays that Coca-Cola and Pepsi you can find it anywhere. So these are the things, and here is again one more article about the Imran Khan, and Imran Khan, more specifically we will talk about the article of Al Jazeera. Al Jazeera has been framing and covering all these news related to the Islamic world, and Pakistan is a part of it. So when we talk about Al Jazeera's articles, here we can see that it had openly talked about and in a positive way the relationship of USA and Pakistan might build in the course of Biden or in the Biden leadership. So it is hard to believe, but we hope that this should not get happen. But it is hard to tell that or there are less chances that we can avoid this possibility. So our focus should be on how India cope up with its relation in Southeast Asia and also the Indo-Pacific region. Here is an article of the print also where Biden as a president will be good for India. There is also one more important news that the print has been shown by time to time that there are diplomacy of Indo-Pacific, strategic importance of the Maldives and the other islands in India and also in the Arabian Sea such as Seychelles and the Reunion Island. Okay, these are the small islands, but these islands have very much importance, strategic importance. So some are the port cities also are important which are nearer to India. So Biden need to focus on it also, and also about the Quad. We cannot forget about the Quad because Biden is positive about Quad. Okay, so let's move forward. So this was all about the today's issue, and this is my Facebook link. You can follow me on Facebook. Like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks to one and all. I am Himraj Kablia signing off.